We are in room 3607 at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. I'm gonna do a quick room tour. Spoiler, we have already dropped all of our stuff in this room because it is 8 p.m. and we're just getting back from the park. So you are gonna see our things, but I wanted to show you the room because it's really beautiful. So right when you walk in, you do have these storage spaces here, these little closets. I'm gonna turn the camera around. You have these closets. They are floor to ceiling length as far as storage goes. And they have the sliding doors with the little themed print on them. This one has a bunch of our stuff in it, so don't mind that. But there are some drawers there. Your extra pillow and your blanket is up there. And again, with the theming. Over here, this storage space has a little bit more like cubbies, and it has the steam iron and your safe, as well as your full-length mirror. Okay, moving on to the bathroom. These rooms do have the pocket door to separate the bathroom from the rest of the room, which is fantastic. Not all deluxe resorts have this, and I love when they do because it just makes things way easier. We have a stand-up shower, and these are super spacious, so nice. It has that rainfall style shower head, and then the H2O products in there that are no longer branded H2O, but we know that they are. Has 2 hooks here. That is one thing that I prefer. This trip we actually stayed at Yacht Club and then transferred over here to the Polynesian. I prefer this bathroom because it has the 2 hooks. Yacht Club only had 1, and it only had 1 of the little hooks. This one has 2. So 2 of those, really nice. It also has the towel rack attached to the shower, which is so convenient. Shower is super nice. And then the sink area, 2 double sinks, some really good storage down here underneath. And these do not open, they're just decorative. Those little pockets, they're pretty small, but they are deep, which is nice. And then you have your double sinks. The new addition to these rooms is the hand soap, which you know I am all about because we're big germaphobes. So hand soap and body lotion is out here, which is amazing. You have your makeup mirror and your giant mirror with the really nice lighting. And then we have the potty, which also has the pocket door to separate away from the shower, which is amazing. More towel racks in here, which is kind of interesting because why do you need towels in the potty? Interesting choice. Very interesting. More towels in the potty. That is so interesting why they did that. Towels in the potty, but anyways, so they have the Polynesian themed artwork there, and then moving around here to the little coffee bar. I love this artwork down here behind the coffee with, hey, how cute. There is the Keurig here, like all Disney Deluxe resorts, with your Joffrey's coffee K-cups. And then in here, you have a nice drawer. Usually this is in here, but I like that it's not because it gives you a space to put snacks and things like that if you are gonna have them with you. You can also put snacks up here on this storage area, which is lovely. This under here is your mini fridge. Well, not a mini fridge, it's a beverage cooler. It does not go below 41 degrees. So do keep that in mind when you are shopping for your snacks and things. You're not gonna be able to keep like yogurts, cheeses, milks, things like that in these beverage coolers. This room does connect to the one next to it with this little connecting door here. And then moving over to the beds. I love the theming and I love the colors in this resort, and I love these little benches at the end of the bed. So nice. And they made a little Mickey, of course, in the towels, which is amazing. So each of the beds has 4 pillows and this little throw pillow. Then we have the Moana themed artwork, which is so beautiful. We love the artwork in these rooms. Both of the beds have the little side table on the side, which does have the regular outlet plugs, and then 2 USBs. I wish they had USB-Cs, but a USB will do. Then they have the lights here on the side of the bed, your reading lights, which is amazing. And then these beds have like lights on the back of the headboard, which is really nice. So moving on to the table in between the 2 beds, there's the Hey Disney, which is nice. There's your phone. This one does have the USB-C. It has 2 plugs with the USB and a USB-C on either side, which is wonderful. It does have some storage for you here. Has the Bible in the drawer, and then this is just a humongous, super deep storage, which is wonderful. And then these beds do have the under the bed storage so that you can put your luggage under there when you are unpacked. And when you unpack, you have 3 gigantic drawers. Like, this is like the most storage that I have ever seen in any Disney resort. It's humongous. And you have your TV here and your lamp, and then more storage, which is crazy. This room has amazing storage. This accent wall on the back is so beautiful. Don't mind the lighting. It is nighttime when I'm doing this. But then we have the 5th sleeper pull down bed, which is the couch with the little pull tab here. And if you're lucky, you'll have one of these in your room, or maybe 2 or 3. But this is the pull down sleeper here. And then this bed is identical to the other one. There are 2 queens. It does have that same bench at the end with the 2 pillows, the 4 pillows, and then the throw pillow. Another reading light with the lamp with that wave pattern, and then the 2 plugs, 2 USBs. Then this room also has a chair with a stool and the super cute Moana themed lamp, which is amazing. It does have the curtains here and 2 more tables, which I think is very interesting because, like, why not just make 1 table, you know? But anyways, we'll take it. We have 2 tables, and then we have the balcony, which is where the party's happening right now with my family.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yep, you can go to the bathroom. These balconies are super spacious. What do you think, Carter?
Chill.
Very chill. Wow, they're really big. Really big balconies. We have
Someone can sleep out here.
Do you want to sleep out here?
No.
Okay. So, wonderful view here of the lava pool, I believe is what the main pool is called. The splash pad is right over there. This is the main building, so that's super convenient. That over there is the Island Tower. That is the Grand Floridian. So we might have an obstructed fireworks view. I think you might be able to. Maybe not. We're gonna test it out and see and let you know. But yeah, we'll probably be able to see the electrical water pageant because technically this is a water view room. I know, the table's so cool. That is all I have for this room tour. I hope it was helpful for you. This is, again, room 3607 in the Samoa building. It is on the 3rd floor. So at the Polynesian, something that's really important to note, the 1st floor rooms have a patio, like you walk out and there's table and chairs. The 2nd floor does not have a balcony. It's like sliding glass doors, and that is it. You are unable to go outside on the balcony, so keep that in mind. The 3rd floor, as you can see, we're on the 3rd floor. They do have balconies, so if you are staying at the Polynesian, and if you are working with a travel agent, specifically a Simple Magic travel agent, let them know that you want to be on whatever floor you want, and they'll call in that room request for you. So that's all I have for this room tour. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video and if it was helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stick around for all of our adventures that we go on, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.